Hello everyone, and welcome. My name is Kyo Junita, your guide on this movie-like trip through Seoul, South Korea. Today we'll look at 5 must-see places that show off the city's special mix of old traditions and new ideas. From royal palaces to lively neighborhoods, each stop tells a story about Seoul's culture and spirit. Get ready to see amazing sights, eat yummy street food, and feel the strong energy that makes Seoul unforgettable. Let's start our adventure. Our first stop, a true gem in the heart of Seoul, is Gyeongbokgung Palace. It stands proudly as the biggest of the Joseon dynasty's 5 grand palaces, a testament to a rich and powerful era. Standing in front of the majestic Gwanghwamun Gate, the main entrance, you can immediately feel the profound weight of history, a tangible connection to centuries past. For over 500 years, this palace was the very center of royal power, the stage upon which the dramas of the Joseon dynasty unfolded. Go inside, step through those gates, and you're immediately moved to a serene world of calm courtyards, a stark contrast to the bustling city outside. Everywhere you look, you'll see bright, colorful patterns known as dancheong, with each vibrant color carefully chosen to represent one of the 5 essential elements of the universe. The main throne room, the magnificent Gyeongbokgung, once held kings and influential leaders who made critical choices that ultimately shaped the destiny of the entire country. The stone markers meticulously placed in the courtyard serve as a constant reminder of the strict rules and rigid protocols that governed the royal court. Take some time to explore the Queen's private residence, Gyeotdaejeon, and wander through its peaceful Namsan Garden, a secluded and private place of unmatched beauty and profound quiet, offering a respite from the world. And certainly, don't miss the opportunity to visit Hyeongbokgung Pavilion, gracefully sitting on a serene lotus pond, its image perfectly reflected in the still water. This picturesque scene beautifully showcases the Joseon people's deep love for nature and their commitment to balance and harmony. Be sure to watch the Royal Guard changing ceremony at the main gates, a captivating display of tradition, unwavering order, and elaborate, eye-catching pageantry. The bright, vibrant uniforms and the solemn, serious music create a powerful connection to the palace's long and storied history, making you feel like you've stepped back in time. For an even deeper and more comprehensive look, make sure to visit the National Folk Museum, conveniently located on the palace grounds, where you can learn all about traditional Korean daily life throughout the ages. You can make your visit even more special and memorable by renting a beautiful hanbok. Dressed in these elegant traditional clothes, you'll feel like you've truly become part of the palace's vibrant and living history. Gyeongbokgung is much more than just a popular tourist spot. It's a living, breathing reminder of Korea's captivating past, a unique place where the echoes of the past resonate with the realities of the present. To truly understand the dynamic city of Seoul today, you absolutely must listen closely to the compelling stories of yesterday, which are etched into every stone and corner of this palace. This palace is a national treasure, carefully kept safe for generations to come, inspiring people to feel a sense of wonder and amazement. Take your time as you wander through its grounds, fully enjoy the unique feeling it evokes, and allow the timeless spirit of the Joseon dynasty to guide your journey of discovery. Every single corner here has a story to tell, a story of immense power, breathtaking beauty, and enduring strength. It's undoubtedly the perfect place to begin our exciting exploration of the wonders of Seoul. Whether you are a dedicated history enthusiast or simply a curious traveler eager to explore new cultures, Gyeongbokgung Palace is guaranteed to leave a lasting and unforgettable mark on your heart and mind. Now let's venture forth to our next destination where the rich traditions of the past seamlessly meet the vibrant energy of everyday life. The captivating journey through the very heart of Seoul has only just begun, with so much more to discover. Are you ready and excited for the next incredible part of our adventure? Then let's go. Next, we step into the enchanting Bukchon Hanok Village, a place where time seems to slow down, inviting us to wander through its historic heart. Strategically located between the majestic Gyeongbokgung and Changdeokgung palaces, Bukchon offers a unique glimpse into Seoul's rich past. This northern village, as it's known, was once the exclusive residential area for high-ranking government officials and other prominent figures during the Joseon era, a testament to its historical significance. As you begin to explore and ascend its narrow, winding paths, you'll feel a palpable shift in atmosphere. The hustle and bustle of modern Seoul gradually fades away, replaced by a captivating maze of Hanok, traditional Korean wooden houses that whisper tales of bygone eras. Admire the elegant details, with their gracefully curved roofs and sturdy stone walls, showcasing the beauty of traditional Korean architecture. Remember, Bukchon is not just a museum, it's a living, breathing neighborhood where people reside, so walk softly, be mindful of your surroundings, and respect the privacy and peace of the residents who call this place home. The true beauty of Bukchon lies in the small, often overlooked details, the way sunlight gently streams across the traditional tiled roofs, the intricate patterns adorning the wooden doors, and the quiet, unhurried rhythm of daily life unfolding around you. Hanoks are truly remarkable architectural achievements, thoughtfully built with natural materials like wood and stone, featuring the ingenious Ondal heating system, which provides cozy, warm floors during the cold winter months, and the open wooden porches, designed to capture the refreshing summer breezes. One of the village's most iconic and photographed views is the picturesque row of Hanok rooftops stretching out before you, set against the striking backdrop of Seoul's modern skyline and the distant Seoul Tower. A captivating juxtaposition. It's a perfect visual representation of the harmonious blend of old and new that defines Seoul. Step inside a traditional tea house for a moment of quiet contemplation and peace. Sip fragrant Korean tea, listen to the gentle rustling of the wind through the trees, and feel a profound connection to hundreds of years of tradition. Venture beyond the well-trodden main paths and allow yourself to get delightfully lost in the quieter, hidden alleys. Discover charming artist workshops, secret gardens overflowing with beauty, and peaceful spots perfect for quiet reflection. Be sure to wear comfortable shoes. The hills of Bukchon can be quite steep, but every climb rewards you with a breathtaking new view. Bukchon is all about embracing the joy of discovery. Allow the village to reveal its secrets to you at its own unhurried pace. Take a moment to notice the loving care evident in every detail, from the intricately designed door knockers to the carefully tended potted plants, each element reflecting the deep pride of those who work tirelessly to keep this precious piece of history alive. Leaving Bukchon feels like gently waking from a beautiful dream. As you transition back to the vibrant energy of the city, you carry with you the tranquility and timeless beauty of the past. It serves as a powerful reminder of the enduring strength and resilience of tradition in a rapidly changing and modernizing world. Bukchon is more than just a village. It's a bridge connecting different eras, a place that will undoubtedly leave a lasting impression on your memory. Take a deep, refreshing breath and let's continue onward with our exciting journey through Seoul. Our next destination will take us soaring high above the bustling city, offering panoramic views that will take your breath away. Are you ready to experience Seoul from an entirely new and exhilarating angle? Let's ascend and prepare to be amazed. Now we ascend, leaving the bustling city behind. Our destination is Seoul Tower, proudly perched on the summit of Namsan Mountain, a true icon of the city. The journey to the top, whether you choose the scenic cable car, offering breathtaking views as you rise, or a leisurely walk along the winding trails, rewards you with expansive views of Seoul's sprawling cityscape. Gaze upon the majestic Han River as it gracefully meanders through the urban landscape. At the base of the tower you'll discover the enchanting love locks, a testament to enduring affection. Here, thousands upon thousands of padlocks, symbols of commitment, have been lovingly placed by couples from around the world. They stand as vibrant signs of promises made, vows exchanged, and love that hopes to last forever. Each lock whispers a unique story of connection, transforming an ordinary fence into a captivating tapestry of hope, dreams, and shared destinies. Ascend even higher by taking the elevator to the observatory, a thrilling experience in itself. Step out and be prepared to be amazed by the breathtaking 360-degree panoramic view that awaits. During the day, try to spot the city's most iconic landmarks from above, and as night falls, prepare to be mesmerized as millions of lights begin to twinkle, transforming Seoul into a dazzling, sparkling sea of light. Experiencing the sunset from this vantage point is nothing short of magical, as the sky explodes in a symphony of vibrant colors, and the city below gradually awakens with its own radiant glow. The panoramic view serves as a powerful reminder that Seoul is a dynamic city brimming with boundless energy and endless possibilities. But Seoul Tower offers more than just stunning views. You can savor a delectable meal at the revolving restaurant, or browse the unique and charming gift shops for that perfect souvenir. As darkness descends, the tower itself transforms, illuminated by vibrant LED lights, becoming a beacon of creativity and a symbol of modern architectural style. From this elevated vantage point, the city's frenetic pace seems to fade into the distance, offering a serene space for contemplation and appreciation of Seoul's dynamic blend of tradition and modernity. Whether you're drawn by the allure of romance, the promise of breathtaking views, or the quest for new perspectives, Seoul Tower is an absolute must-see destination. It's a place where you can truly grasp the essence of Seoul and rediscover your love for this captivating city. Ready to dive back into the vibrant energy of the city streets? Our next stop promises to be a feast for all your senses. Let's venture down into the bustling heart of Seoul's renowned shopping and tantalizing street food scene. Welcome to Myeongdong, Seoul's main spot for shopping, beauty, and street food. Step out of the subway and you're pulled into a fast-moving mix of bright lights, K-pop music, and busy crowds. Myeongdong is a dream for K-beauty lovers. Main stores line the streets, giving out free samples and the newest skincare products. Explore lively shops, try snail goo serums, and find your new favorite products with the help of friendly staff. People who love fashion will enjoy the mix of world brands, trendy small shops, and K-pop stuff. As evening comes, the streets turn into a street food wonderland. Follow your nose to sizzling spicy rice cakes, warm fish cakes, and crispy spiral potatoes. Be brave. Try cheese-covered lobster, sweet and sour fried chicken, egg bread, and the super yummy sweet pancake. Share dishes with friends to taste more flavors, and remember, most stalls only take cash. Besides shopping and food, visit Myeongdong Cathedral, an old-style church that offers a peaceful break from the city's energy. Myeongdong is a place of constant movement, where new ideas start and the city's energy is felt strongest. It's not for quiet thinking. It's for jumping in, tasting, shopping, and soaking up the exciting feeling. Whether you like to shop, eat, or are just a curious traveler, Myeongdong is true Seoul. Come hungry, come curious, and let the city carry you away. Next, we'll explore the creative center of Seoul's young people. Let's head to Hongdae. Our final stop is Hongdae, the area full of young energy and creativity. Around Hongik University, Hongdae is like a canvas of street art, wall paintings, and expressive graffiti. Small, independent shops sell handmade jewelry, unique clothes, and original art, perfect for finding special treasures. The streets come alive at night with unplanned shows, K-pop dancers, musicians, and artists sharing their talents with the world. The feeling is electric. Gather with the crowd, feel the energy, and maybe see the next big star. Hongdae's coffee shop culture is famous, with themed places from simple quiet spots to fun animal cafes. Each cafe is a creative haven, perfect for relaxing and watching people. As night falls, Hongdae turns into a lively night spot. Bars, clubs, and pubs for every taste. The mood is welcoming to everyone, bringing students, local people, and travelers together. Even if you don't party, walking through Hongdae at night is an experience in itself. Food lovers will enjoy the affordable restaurants, try Korean barbecue, fried chicken and beer, or food from around the world. Don't miss the Hongdae Free Market on Saturdays, where local artists sell their creations. It's the perfect place to support Seoul's creative community and find a unique souvenir. Hongdae is more than a place. It's a feeling of possibility, freedom, and inspiration. It's the perfect ending to our journey, showing the active, creative spirit of modern Seoul. Ready to finish our adventure? Our journey through Seoul's 5 unforgettable spots comes to an end. We've explored palaces, walked through old alleys, flown above the city, shopped and eaten in bright-lit streets, and felt the creative beat of young people. Each place shows a different side of Seoul. A city balancing rich history and exciting new ideas. I hope you're inspired to create your own adventure and find your favorite parts of this amazing city. Which spot would you visit first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Thank you for joining me in Seoul.